morning everyone, welcome to our event, IELTS Speaking Challenge and Talent Showcase. We, Central College of Vocational Training and Central Model College team like to appreciate your presence in a very short notice. Thank you so much for your presence. I am Bindu Aryal, host of this event and an IELTS instructor from Central College, along with my co-host Yuvraj Pandey. Would like to welcome you all, along with my team members Swastika Sharma, Bhavna Paudel, Meena Jha ma'am, Rishiram Saabkota. Would like to welcome you all. And I'm going to pass this to Yuvraj Pandey to take care of our guest and special guest. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to introduce our special guest, Sharda Sharma, CEO of Central College of Vocational Training. Next one, Parvati Nupane, Manager of Central College of Vocational Training. Vipin Sharma, Head of Department of our English Department. Now, T.R. Chalise sir, Principal of Central Model College. Ahead to our judges, first of all, G. William sir. Our next judge is Gopal Dhakal. And our third guest is Meena Jha ma'am. And our next special guest is GP sir, Director of Central Model College. And our next guest is Madhu Sudan sir from Central Model College. Now I humbly request to our guests and our judges to take their seat.
Thank you, Yuvraj sir. First of all, thank you so much, Bipin sir, for the innovation. The team members, Bindu ma'am, Yuvraj sir, Bhavana ma'am, Swastika miss, every one of us from IELTS department for so much of hard work and bringing one plan in the reality. So I would like to thank every one of them for their hard work. And actually, I would like to welcome every one of you, the respected delegates who are present here. And yes, we are welcoming our new members who are all from BHM and BIM family, BIM bachelor programs. So we'd like to welcome them as well. And all the staff and every one of you, we are heartfelt welcome to all of you. And as we are having a session, speaking session, and many more entertainment program, hope that you all will enjoy. Very hopeful that we all are going to rock the stage. This is a pilot session and the finale is in 12/12. So definitely from this we will get the feedback and we will know how much, how successful will be our upcoming events. So this is just a pilot session. Once again, best wishes to the participants. Thank you so much for your participation. The rules is, for the speaking session, the rule is, we have, please can you give me this one bowl? Okay. For the speakers, please kindly keep silent for a while. We have so many random topics. Okay, the participant will come on the stage, pick a random papers, and there is a heading. You will get the topic, and you have 1 minute to think about the topic
Okay, she likes blue color. Okay, I let you pick. Fine. So, read out with your topic. What topic says so?
Describe a time when you helped someone and how it feels.
Everyone get the topic?
Describe a time when you helped someone and how it felt.
We have 1 minute to prepare.
Hello everybody, I will highlight the rules for you. First of all, when you come to the stage, you have to introduce yourself so that our judge panel will get your names, and then you will have a 1 minute. So our investor will have a stopwatch there, and he will tell you when you can start and when you can stop, right?
तिमी चाहिँ ताली बजाएको रियाक्सनहरू
Hello everyone, my name is Vinita Taman and my topic is describe a time when you helped someone and how it felt. Now I'm beginning my speaking. The time when I helped someone and the feeling I felt that moment, like it's about 2 years ago, and it is on our 10th final exam, and in that exam my best friend forget her pen or something, the materials we need for our exam, and I went to the teachers and then I asked for help to them or help to her, and I felt really good to help her in that moment. She also thanked me before I helped her. That is the feeling exactly when you help someone, how it feels. And I also feel myself proud to help my best friend. I'm really nervous.
We have still 1 more minute.
And after that, she thanked me, and
Okay, no worries. Thank you so much, Vinita.
I didn't get to the end of the question, so how you felt when you helped someone. Could you just describe that again for us, please?
I feel happy and proud of myself to help someone when seeing the materials for our exam.
First of all, you have 1 minute, no? At that time, you have to think what you have to make a plan, how to speak, what are the materials, what are the content that I have to speak. That would be better for you. Just 1 minute. 1 minute is for your thinking and planning how to speak and what are the contents related to that topic. That would be better. I think.
Hi everyone, my name is Om Shrestha. I am originally located in Delhi and I am staying in Sidon since my childhood. Thank you ma'am for giving me this opportunity to take part in this exciting and speaking challenge program.
Well, my topic name is, if you could live in any time period after future, which would it be? In childhood, we will be in our friends and families where there is no any problem with our problems and without problems, without we suffering through.
Okay, thank you so much, Anil. So his topic is actually for you judges. If you could live in any time period, past or future, which would it be? So you can ask a cross question to him.
So I guess, do you have mass fear? Do you have mass fear? Any hesitation to speak up?
No ma'am, I can't imagine the answer.
Okay, right. So you could not relate with the topic?
No.
Okay, no problem. Better luck next time. But one thing I just want to ask you is, what I want to ask you is, do you think that this sort of program is really going to help you to speak up fluently, raise your confidence? Do you agree with this?
Yes ma'am, I agree with your question, but I will.
Okay, better luck next time. So be prepared. And it's like critical thinking. Yeah, it's just a language, okay? So get the topic and pick it up and speak up. So better luck next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's start. I would like to visit because my hobby is visit related, and if I can get opportunity to visiting in any country, I can prefer to visit in Switzerland, because this country is a very beautiful country, and in this place we can see natural beauties and greenery environment, and this country is also developed country, and in this place I can visit different things such as mountains, and we can go hiking, trekking, and different type of tourist activities such as paragliding and bungee jumping, and this country is very beautiful. I would like to visit this country, and also this country is very advanced in technology. So technology, and this country is also advanced. This country have also advanced feature, and such as in this country we can see different facilities, such as traveling related facilities, and different type of AI technology available in this country. I like to visit in our natural place, so I pick this country. And in this country I can visit different place where I relax my mind, and I would like to visit this country. Okay, thank you. Similarity between Nepal and Switzerland. Similarities have Nepal and Switzerland. First similarity is natural beauties. In Nepal, have many natural beauties such as greenery environment, mountain, and similarly in Switzerland they have greenery view and mountain natural beauties. And on the similarities is their culture. In Nepal have various type of culture, and similarly in Switzerland they have also various type of culture which is similar like to Nepal. Okay, thank you.
She is from BIM of Central Model College, Surabhiya Raj Bhandari. So here, pick up your favorite color.
Greetings everyone, I am Surabhiya Raj Bhandari from the Bachelor of Information Management, first semester Cloud. I would like to express my gratitude to Miss Meena ma'am for giving me this golden opportunity to speak on the stage with you all. I would also like to pay my respects to the judges who are here judging us, judging me. My topic is, which is better, working alone or in a team? Explain your choice. For me, myself, my opinion, I would like to say I like to work alone because it is easy to focus and schedule, organize things when you're alone than in a team. With a team, you can never be sure that you are going to be in one place together, you are going to finish everything together. It's a bit of crowdy, it's not relaxing, it's not good to in an environment where everything is out of control. For myself, I like to listen to music, relax, and work on things. So I prefer myself to be alone if I'm in a situation where I need to finish everything in a certain deadline. I would like to do it rather by myself, or I would like to lead a team myself. I have a previous experience where I have done many things alone and I have done it also in group. Both I have done well, but from my preference, I will still say working alone is way better than working in a team. Working alone also gives you the freedom to do it wherever you like. In a team is a bit of chaos because someone might like something, some might not. Some might not also even like the person you're working with, and they start fighting in the middle of it all. So working alone is better. You have nobody to disturb you. You have nobody to literally kill your peace. I like my peace. I like to be alone. That's my choice. Thank you, everyone.
So again, interesting that you say you like to work alone. My question to you, if you were working in a team, would you welcome their feedback?
Yes, why not? A team is everyone's favorite to work. Without that, there is going to be fights and some might not feel respected in the team. It is the obvious way to listen to everyone and work well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, my pleasure.
This is a jar, and I'm going to put something over here, and I'm going to roll randomly. So it could be like a riddle, it could be like a general knowledge question, it could be like a pronunciation, or it could be like a tongue twister. Whoever got this, he or she has to say about it. And by the way, you will get chocolate on that behalf. So let me pick this cute guy. Please. Okay, I don't know. So this is a pronunciation test. I would like to ask Lee to get him how he pronounces it is well. Okay. If it goes well, please give a thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. Right? So, by the way, what's your name?
Suvarna Adhikari.
Speak up. Friends, you are going to cheer him, isn't it? Pronounce this word for me. Is it okay? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. Okay. Applause for her. This girl. Open it up. Yeah. Open it up. And speak clear as much as you can. Right? Again, you are going to give a thumbs up or thumbs down. Right? First.
This is Bhavita Sharma.
Bhavita, open your mouth.
Can as a canner, can.
I'm going to give her a thumbs up.
Are you sure?
I think so.
You are biased.
Well, it's something about a cat, right?
Yeah, it's all about the cat. So do you think it's okay?
Yes.
Can we share chocolate with her?
Yeah.
So take a piece. Thank you so much. Abhishek Fortis. Is he here? Abhishek. Abhishek, pick up your favorite color. That's okay. Pink is for boys as well.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good evening, friends, representatives, teachers, and principal. This is Abhishek Fortis, currently studying in the BSM, fourth year. Okay, my question is, who is your role model and what quality do they have? Who is your role model and what quality do they have? Role model should be you should have good quality of speaking, easily communicate with each other. Yeah, you should, he or she should face different things in life, and the main thing is that how to deal with people. But talking to other things, accept my role model. The most thing to be a successful guy in the future, that we have to make a role model, especially the guy who is already success. We have to follow his positive side by hiding their negative side too, because all the person have both sides, including positive and negative. We just have to only follow the positive side rather than the negative side. Working a successful person in our life, we should always follow some people who is already success in their life, especially the businessman, because getting job from other companies or in any field doesn't make us example for others. We have to make ourselves in a business field, because it's easy to get him from in this field. Thank you.
You mentioned your father, Abhishek, was your role model, and unfortunately passed away some years ago. What effect do you think that can have on you in your future?
I think it won't affect anything in my life, because the first thing I have to be very strong, so that anything in the future or in the present will affect anything for me. But something is missing, that
So now I am going to announce the winner of the today's event. But before that, I would like to invite our judges on stage. Meera, Ram, Gopal sir, and Mr. Lee. I would like to also invite our director, Mr. G.P. sir, on stage. Can you guess who might have got no, we will say the first prize at last. So first of all, the third prize. Can you guess? Sorry. Can you guess? Who might have received third prize? The winner will get chocolate. Very good. Yes, million. The third prize goes to Sonia Poden. Thank you very much, Sonia. And the second prize goes to? You guessed it correct, Sweta Singh. You get something at last. Thank you very much, Sweta. Okay. I will have to announce your name. Okay. Okay. I hope you all get snacks, right? Snack and tea. Okay, we will have one performance at last by our student Pramod. He will sing a song for you, right? And then we will wrap up this event. Thank you for making this event grand. So we will have a main event on December 12. So you are free to register your name for the event. And we hope today's participants, today's winners will also register their name for the main event. So it will be grand and the prize money will also be grand. You will get many discounts, you will get many chocolates, you will get many performances to see. So we all invite you to the main event, which will be held on December 12. Thank you very much. Can you name the company? Yeah, you get the prize, one chocolate for you. So actually, under the Central Group, we have 4 companies. The first one is Central College of Vocational Training. It's a study abroad consultancy. The second one is Central College, right? And the third one is Central Travels and Tours. We have a travel company as well. If you want to travel anywhere in the foreign country, then remember us. And the fourth company is Central Foundation. So we will be contributing our certain revenue towards the social activities. So we have a dedicated Central Foundation as well. So these 4 sister institutes will run under Central Group. So this event is sponsored by Central Group, but I could see only Central College logo. So it will be rectified in main event. So there will be 4 programs. Okay. So how many of you know about Central College of Vocational Training? I know our staff should know, must know, but for the CMC students, how much you have known about Central College of Vocational Training? So actually it's a study abroad consultancy, and as the name suggests, our name is Central College of Vocational Training. Initially we started this company to give a training, right, vocational, manner. We started by giving training in plumbing, electrician, beautician, cooking, and those kind of things. And then slowly we expanded our business to study abroad front, right? So Central College initially started with Japan, and we have achieved great success in sending students to Japan. And for the last 2.5 years, we have started sending students to different countries. In the same context, I would like to pose another question for you. If you give a correct answer, then again you will get a prize. Okay. Total, how many countries we are sending students from Central College of Vocational Training? I need to count. First I will count. Okay, now we will get answer. We send students to many countries. That's why I need to count them the fingers. You are our star, so we will be prize to So we send students to Japan, Australia, Canada, UK, USA, New Zealand. On the Europe, we send students to Finland, Denmark, Lithuania, Romania, Malta, and in the Asian countries, we send students to South Korea, Japan, and India. India, yeah, we send students to India as well. Okay. And about CMC, since we send students to abroad countries, from the last year, we aspire to, teach a quality education in Nepal. So we established Central Model College, and you guys are the first batch of that college. Congratulations to you. Right? I can clearly see your future bright with Central Model College. And thank you for participating in today's event from CMC and the faculty member and the coordinator. Okay, now, and I would like to thank the participants who showcase their talents. Those are amazing. Thank you for the amazing dance and the singing that you have. Right? Thank you, Kim sir, for beautiful poem. Actually, we have to give sweets to participants as well. So I would like to invite Min sir here. I would like to invite Susmita as well on stage. I would like to invite our former students, Shimon Pawar, on the stage. Thank you all the participants today for participating in this event. And I think you have learned something from today's event, right? You have spoken for at least 30 seconds to 2 minutes, right? And on the random topic. So it showcases that you do not have much fear. So if you keep on participating in this kind of event, definitely you will have a better public speaking skills and you won't shy away from participating in these events. So that is how the leaders are created. You need to have good communication skills in today's world. So I would like to thank all the participants. So I would name all the participants one by one. You can come on stage and get a small gift from our side. Vinita Tamal. Is she there? Vinita Tamal? Okay. Sonia Pore. Abhishek Pore. Shweta Sharma. Surakya Raj Bhandari. And Rhythm Pure.
We should be fine. It's a song. What is holding you back?